Step out of the vehicle, man. Step out of the vehicle. You are under arrest.
I have not committed a crime.
And obstruction.
I haven't committed a crime. You're violating my constitutional rights.
You are under arrest for resisting obstruction.
You're violating my constitutional rights.
You are under arrest.
You're violating my constitutional rights. I have not committed a crime.
You are under arrest.
For what?
Obstruction. You are failing to obey, follow.
I don't have to obey you. You work for me. I pay taxes, so you work.
No, I seriously got you pay taxes. Hey, you need to step out of your vehicle.
I haven't committed a crime. Where's your superior?
You've already been told you are under arrest for obstruction.
Where's your superior?
Failing to follow a lawful command.
I need to speak with your supervisor.
That's okay.
I need to speak with your supervisor immediately.
Right now.
I need to speak with your supervisor immediately.
Soon enough. You need to exit.
You're violating my constitutional rights. I have not committed a crime. Tell me what crime I've committed and then I will exit my vehicle.
For right now, you are under arrest for resisting and obstruction.
I'm not resisting. I haven't committed a crime to begin with.
You need to exit your vehicle with your hands up.
I have not committed a crime to begin with.
Vehicle.
They have their guns out.
You need to
I'm recording.
with your hands up.
I am unarmed. I have no guns in the vehicle.
Get out of the car.
Get out.
I need to speak with your superior.
We'll speak with the supervisor soon enough, but you are this. Just let's do this the easy way and step up.
The easiest way is for me to speak with your superior. I have not committed a crime.
Now.
I have not committed a crime. You're violating my constitutional rights.
I don't know, man. I don't know what it is.
I have my seatbelt on. This is a constitutional rights violation. They're trying to say I've committed a crime, and I have not committed a crime.
Cover the passenger side, people.
They have a shotgun, a pistol, a couple more pistols.
It's time for you to step
My
out of the vehicle.
seatbelt is on.
It's time for you to step out of the
My
vehicle.
seatbelt
It's
is
time-
on.